So the Port of Auckland came to SmartShelters with a problem. They had these straddle carriers. They didn't have enough workshop space for them to be serviced in. So they needed a pretty unique structure, which only really SmartShelters could supply. This project is unique. It was 6 containers high, which provides a height in the middle of the shelter of around 24 metres, which is the highest that we've ever done. And it's the highest that we know of in the world of any container mounted shelter. You've got a front wall which comes down to the top of the 6th container height, just blocks driving weather from coming in. At the back you can see the containers are stacked 4 high. There's a platform that's been installed. You've got a staircase coming up the back with a personnel access door. And then at the front you've also got a ladder system, and then you've also got a lift as well. There's a gantry crane which is running along the tops of the containers. All the cables required, the cable trays. So this really shows the versatility of SmartShelters, what we can provide. Compared to a traditional structure, it's a lot faster, a lot less time on site, a lot less disruption for the port's team, and they can get up and running faster, so they could be servicing their straddles a lot quicker.